revolutionary program, and I must say there's a lot to learn in ADE. I mean, from I still remember my daughter joining ADE and hardly knowing the basic steps of dance, and now where I see her, hats off. Really, it's a revolutionary change, and it's a lot of things that she's learned. Take it from even her basic confidence level, her dance forms, her moves, her actions, her hand moves, everything. So ADE, I really must compliment. It's very different. It's something that your child really should experience once, and you will get to know what the difference is. So I remember Ruhani joined 2 years back. She's attended one Nach till now. And first she was in the regular batch, and then Shraddha ma'am and Ashish sir had proposed that she is ready for ADE, and there was some kind of audition and everything done, and we were still waiting for the letter to come for being selected. And the time we got the AD letter, I remember we were told the classes will be on Saturday and Sunday. And I was hesitant for being a weekend class, but Ruhani was pretty adamant that no, I will be doing it. And the transformation I have seen from last year 2024 to 2025 has been drastic. She knows every single dance form, and every time she comes back, she shows me a new dance form being performed, from Bollywood to classical to everything, and even theoretically her knowledge has increased so much. I must say it's a lot of difference which I have noticed just in the last 365 days, and I think now they are all geared up for Nach. So let's see what's on the floor. In 10 years itself, if the institute has come at this stage, in the next 10 years I think you're going to do even more great wonders. I'm pretty sure about. The fees is very, very nominal compared to the learnings that the kids are getting. When we compare outside, the fee amount is really huge, but what we are paying here is really minimal, and what we are getting out of it, there is just no comparison. It's like this. There is truly no comparison. In today's world, there are still a lot of places where kids who are physically disabled are not welcomed. But I see in the classes taken by Ashish sir that kids are really taken care of, and they are taught as equal to the other kids, who come for the classes. So really, hats off. It's really awesome. I would like to convey my best wishes to Ashish sir, Shraddha ma'am, and the entire team for the upcoming Nach and for all your future endeavors. I'm sure you guys are going to go a long way, and in the next 10 years, I think it's going to be an even more bigger blast. I mean, Ashish sir, especially in the last 1 year, I have been seeing him almost come for all the classes personally. Either Ashish sir or Shraddha ma'am are always there. They put in so much hard work, so much effort. Let me talk about off late especially from the last 6 months. There have been extra classes. There have been classes for 4 to 5 hours, and look at the dedication. Sir and ma'am are there for an entire 4 or 5 hours. Can you even imagine a teacher so reputed sitting with their kids for the entire 5-hour duration? And one more thing I would love to highlight today was the off late, because of Nach coming up, we've been having extra classes. Ashish sir personally comes to drop the kids to the house. I mean, there is no teacher till today I have seen who takes so much effort. He makes it sure that the child reaches safely, comes home, makes sure the parent is there to pick up, and that is one thing I would really appreciate about sir and Shraddha ma'am. And even the entire team, they are so cooperative and so helpful. Really, we are so lucky to be a part of this. Thank you so much for all your efforts, and wishing you all the very best for Nach.